Hi guys, people are already asking what is this ArcoLinux on the road, how did you build this, looks like a good idea. Well, like I said in the previous video, it's all online. So we are working on this pure ArcoLinux system here, and ArcoLinux on the road. I'm sure I'm in doubt. All right, will it be found already? Will it already? Just a few hours ago I built all that. Had this what if ArcoLinux on the road. Oh my god, right? It's so quick. So probably one of the top things updated 2 hours ago. ArcoLinux package build. Actually can't be true, right? There's a package build. Okay, so the package build is in here. That's something you probably want to have a look at. How does Eric build that package? ArcoLinux on the road. ArcoLinux on the road. There you are. So this is the build for the package. This might interest you how things are organized here, but basically that's what we need. I'm gonna get something from somewhere and gonna package it, but right, that's the package build. What we need as well, and that's what I've pushed online. No, ArcoLinux, yeah, must be it. On the road. This is it, right? This is the package. So if you want to learn what this thing is, maybe a git clone is in order. By that, I will probably be working on it for some time. And you just git clone, and later on you do git pull, and you know what I've changed. The magic of this ArcoLinux on the road, and now I think many people will say, oh my god, I'm gonna do this and this and this and that. Your what ifs will pop up when you see this, and nothing shows, but it's Sublime Text, right? Being Sublime Text, being it's there. Okay, look what I've done. I told to, well, we'll check later, and there is a folder called root, and clean everything up in the beginning, and we start from scratch again. And all the work for the last 5 years I've done on ArcoLinux, all the configurations of Alacrity, all the configurations of the bin folder, the .bin, from the config all desktop, the configurations for fish, and you name it, right? You just go over the list. I can add more to it. All of that comes in with a simple git clone. And now you're gonna say, what if I take another GitHub from somebody you like, you see somewhere polybar theme somewhere, and say, oh yeah, if I can git clone those, get them inside a folder, and this goes in etc, the future system, this one goes in USR, and you name it, right? Doesn't matter which folders. This is your computer system, and everything that's in etc scal, Control H, everything that's in etc scal, so the polybar themes are in here somewhere. Your awesome configuration can be in here, UI3 can be in here, your Xmonad one level up is going to be in here. What if I gather all my knowledge and all my visits of all the distros and all the configurations anywhere, put them all together in one GitHub? You don't even need to make a package for it. It's always fun to do sudo pacman -s or -u, and that's that. And you have what I call an ArcoLinux on the road. So this is the magic where it happens, where you say, go grab this from the internet, go grab that from the internet, and then I start removing. I don't want to see the bash rc latest, but I want to have a bash rc, so I move the bash rc latest to the bash rc. That's basically what we do as well in the package. I want to have some configuration for touchpad, although I'm not a laptop user, but it's there. I remove it, sorry. I remove it, so okay, choices. I don't want it to change to the ArcoLinux logo. I want it to keep a nice Arch logo. And if I don't like that logo today, these days, I do Ctrl-Alt-E on my ISO builder. I'm looking at a totally different logo. The one I like. Just a logo. It's not anything more than that. It's just auto, choose. And the logo I like these days, just for my ISO builder then, is this one. I think it's a beautiful one. So this greets me every single time. It's up to you. All of these things is remove. So anything you find online, you git clone it, and afterwards you say throw out, throw out, throw out. I even fix icons, papyrus icons. They're not nice for the Bluetooth, it's too big. So everything is set to papyrus icons. It's my choice. Could have been Sardi, could have been Surfn. No. When I'm Arch, I'll use this one. And everything is explained here with tar to extract things. X is extract. Put it there, put it inside root. It's all usable, copy-paste-able, right? And instead of the ArcoLinux in XFC down here in the menu, it will be ArcoLinux. Find, replace, where. That's the where. And with these little scripts, it becomes, its own distro, so to speak. But it's a personalized ArcoLinux ISO. It's still very much Arch. It's pure Arch. Started with the ArcoLinux ISO, then Arch install, and then you just configure things, get things here. In this case, I don't put desktops on it because ArcoLinux Tweaktool has desktops, right? So I just go to the what would I miss kind of approach, and those things I would miss. So what you can do is do this thing maybe again, but then instead of git cloning from ArcoLinux, you get something from EndeavourOS or from Garuda, something you like, you see there, a polybar theme there, a configuration this and that, and then you git clone it, put it in this folder. This will be your root, and this is etc, this is user, maybe there's some other folder you like, opt folders or something, I don't know, this structure, right? This structure, and this is the Arco folder. The package provides an extra folder, and from here we copy paste, and that's the scale. That's the scale. Let's go to the scale. No, let's go to the let's go to user. Let's go like this, user bin. It's like any other application, right? It's here. There is scale from the ATT and there is scale from the ArcoLinux on the road. If we open this one with Sublime Text, it's basically, and it will be improved because there are still some things in here that I don't like, but it's good enough, it's functional, because it was created to have a quick and dirty installation, a nice look when developing the ATT. On one day, it can happen that I install ArcoLinux 10 times, and each time I get this default XFCE. So I wanted something nicer, something like this, right? So besides getting all the other stuff here, you see here, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. I'm also downloading some stuff that I say that wouldn't be nice if that would be there visually, but also for development. Sublime Text is here, Melt is here, Ripgrep is here, stuff that makes an operating system nice. Voila. So I hope that's a little bit more clear, and maybe you get a vibe that you say, oh my god, I'm gonna try this. This looks like a good idea. I stop here. I'm not gonna go and add polybar themes or whatever. It's just to git clone more, and then you either copy paste everything, right? There's no need to scale in essence. You can actually say, let's just drop this, copy, and drop this over here, sorry, over here, and drop this here. of course you need to get the ownership, and you need to be root for that. Open folder as root would be helpful. But Scale is interesting because then you have control over what you do, and you can add some lines in there, move this, move that, stuff like that. Enfin, it's another idea. If you were thinking of what shall I do today, what shall I do tomorrow, why not this? All right, cheers.